Fashion Nova and SHEIN, baby, them $10, $12 bodysuits that y'all been buying is about to see an all-time high. If you have not been keeping up with what's going on the market, if you're not someone that trades or you're not someone that keeps up with the stock market, I know you probably heard about the tariff, stock market crash and all of that shit, but if you're not someone who's into the market, then let's look at something that may be a little bit more close and personal for you. Trump has announced tariffs on every damn country, okay? Therefore, companies like Fashion Nova and SHEIN are probably about to have a heavy increase in their pricing on everything that has been $5, $10, $15. And if you go to the store, you might pay $25, $30, $40 for. We know where they getting them damn clothes from. And I think SHEIN, or was it Fashion Nova, or was it SHEIN, that had the whole documentary about their child labor, their warehouse conditions overseas, and all of these things. With these tariffs being put in place, they are more than likely about to push the costs to their consumers. Okay, because these companies rely on very cheap labor, very cheap material coming from these countries, like China, Mexico is tier one, if I'm not mistaken. There were a number of them that I've kind of seen that they're getting their material from and they're getting their labor from, bringing it to the US, 200, 300, 500% markups on everything. And that is what has allowed these companies to become billion-dollar fast fashion companies. Just like the companies like Nike and Apple are facing huge repercussions from these tariffs, companies like Fashion Nova, SHEIN, and any other fast fashion company will see those same effects. But the only difference is they're not public companies on the stock market. But the increase in their prices will show that they are too being hit by the tariffs that Trump is putting in place. If you are a trader, or if you are someone who's maybe new to the stock market, or you're, looking to find ways to make money on the stock market, these companies are now in full-blown bear mode, okay? We're not talking about some 5, 10% correction. We're talking about 15, 20, 30% bear mode, okay? Meaning that we could probably expect them to continue to fall some, because we know Nike out there in China manufacturing $8 shoes and reselling them for 250, 300, 500 damn dollars. We know where Apple is getting their parts from, getting their phones from, okay? If I'm not mistaken, was it Congo, or where they were sourcing their batteries or certain things from, to where people were boycotted or attempt to boycott it. And we know that these companies will be hit hard. They're already been hit hard. They're down $20. And then the S&P 500 consists of 500 companies, and they are a direct reflection of every company within its index. As these companies fall, the S&P 500 will fall. And if you are a trader, you know that we can make money when the stock is going up or when the stock is going down. So we're not really worried, because we know how to play both sides of the market, and we understand that this market being in bear mode can be used to our advantage. So when you're trying to figure out where the hell these new prices come from, blame Trump.